done gave the jails too many years, years that I won't get back. And I swear I done shed too many tears for niggas that I won't get back. Yeah, I got niggas in the graveyard, niggas in the state yards. I swear not a day goes by that I don't think about the times. I wish that I could rewind.
Hey guys, it's your girl Leah Janae, and I just got done doing a makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think. Alright you guys, so here I am just getting ready to prime my face. I use the MAC Studio Fix Prep and Prime. It works amazing. So I'm just evenly distributing it all over my face. And so now I'm about to go and do my brows. And I got this brow gel from Amazon, honestly. It was a duo for $3. And it's called the Music Flower 24-Hour Longwear Gel Eyeliner. So yeah, now I'm applying that to my brows. And what you saw me do before was pretty much just use my spoolie and just comb out my brows so that they'll be going the way that I want them to lay. So yeah, now I'm just filling in my brows. I mean, I'm not really going to go into detail because I have a brow tutorial already up. So if you want to see that video, if you're interested in it, I'll leave the link down below. I'll leave the link down below for all of the products that I'm using as well. So now, what am I doing? I'm getting ready to go in with my concealer to clean up my brows. I got this concealer literally off of Amazon. I think it was like $1. It's really cheap. I hate the pigments. I hate the colors, but until I re-up on all my products, I'm just using what I have. So yeah, here I am just cleaning up my brows with my concealer. Still cleaning up those brows with the concealer. Yo, my eyebrow tutorial, honestly, it was kind of whack because my daughter was in it and she was distracting me so much. So I may put up a new eyebrow tutorial, but anyway. Here I am just blending out that concealer so that it'll be nice and even. You don't want any harsh lines. That's never cute. You don't want to be out here looking like a fool in these streets, right? Okay. So now I'm going in with my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to be using 3 shades. The shades that I'm going to be using were Nooner, Buzz, Limit, and Strange. Not in that order. I'll link them all down below in the order that I applied them to my face. But right now, I think what I'm applying in the crease is Nooner. And then now I'm about to go in on my lid with Limit, I'm assuming. Yeah, Limit is that lighter pink color. And I'm just showing y'all my brush. It's just a regular eyeshadow brush. I got my brushes off of AliExpress. Yes, your girl is cheap, but this face be beat, so don't hate on the kid, okay? So now I'm going in with my highlight with Strange. It's just a really light color that I just used to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going in my tear ducts with, I think, Trick. It's this really shimmery color. Super pretty. I love it. It's like pink. Now I'm getting ready to go in with my eyeliner. It's the same brand as my brow gel. It's just the black eyeliner. So same thing. And y'all, don't talk about my brush. It needs to be cleaned so bad, but you know, listen, your girl lazy, and I just like to do my makeup. I don't be worried about the rest. I plan on cleaning them one day, but not today. Oh, y'all, that just be killing me. So yeah, still putting on my liquid eyeliner. That's not even liquid, that's gel. So yeah, checking myself out or whatever. Flips hair.
Beauty blender.
Oh.
But first off, let's just see. My daughter bit it, okay? She bit it, and it's not damp. Like, I could use it, but it's not damp, so.
Yeah, so Shorty bit my beauty blender, so Won't be using that today. So right now I'm going in with the opal stick. I hate this foundation so much, but you know, I was using what I had. And the color or shade I'm in is Truly Topaz KR4. And so yeah, I have that all over my face. And now I'm about to use this. It's like a rounded brush, and I just use it to buff in. I'm gonna call it a buffing brush. So I use it to buff in that foundation. Reason why I don't like this foundation is mainly because like I can literally rub my hand over it and you can see the foundation on my hand. So like, I don't know, I hate it. And I'm a sweater, so you already know what that does to my clothing. And don't let me wear white. It's gonna be over with. My white will be beige because of my makeup, and I hate that. That is not cute. So for the sake of this video, this is what I'm using. Now I'm about to go back in with that same concealer that I got off of Amazon, and I'm about to mix those two colors down below. Can't even tell you the name of those colors because it is cheap, so you know, they're just two lighter colors. And I'm going in under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm blending out my concealer. Y'all gotta blend y'all life away. Like in this clip, I'm literally blending my life away because like I said, you don't want no harsh lines, because you don't want nobody out here in these streets talking about you look crazy, okay? So you need to go ahead and blend as much as possible. Blend till you can't blend no more. Blend till you think you can't even see the product no more, because you rather not see the product than to be out here looking crazy with harsh lines, okay? All right. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Just blending. Blend, blend, blend. And the brush I'm using is off of, I don't remember where I got that brush from. I know it was cheap though. Your girl cheap. I only spend money on eye palettes and maybe a brow gel. I used to have the Anastasia brow gel, but I left the top off of it, so you know, it dried up. If this video, I'm gonna start off kind of low. If this video gets 5 likes on it, 5 now, I'll tell y'all what I'm baking. So yeah, there you see me baking, and like I said before, if this video gets 5 likes on it, I'll tell you what I'm baking with. Y'all see I got thirsty there, right? Yeah, water is life, okay? Drink your gallon a day. Keep the weight, the toxins, and everything away. Okay. I'm so corny. I need to stop. But yeah, now I'm just applying a darker shade of concealer. It's the LA Gate. Why can't I talk? Okay? I don't understand why I can't talk. Leah, you need to get your life together and learn how to speak. But yeah, I was applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a darker shade. Look at this, y'all. It's all in my hair. But yeah, I applied it in the darker shade just for my contour, and then I applied that same baking powder, that's what we're gonna call it, right underneath it to give it some precision. Going in with that same concealer and doing my temples just to make my face look slimmer. Meanwhile, I'm still baking, so while I put that on there, I realized that I had to, you know, take that off. Otherwise, I was gonna turn it into a cake. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, I had to go ahead and stop baking. And now I'm blending out that concealer. Now I'm getting ready to go in with my Fit Me powder. Yeah, I am in the shade 330 Toffee. And yeah, so I'm just going in with that all over my face. And now I'm about to highlight. Your girl love highlight. I will put on so much highlight. Like, you have to tell me, Leah, okay, that's enough highlight. Because in my opinion, you can never have too much highlight, because when that sun hits your face, what, girl, you gonna be on fleek. So yes, highlight your face, okay? I'm just highlighting my life away right now.
I would be ghetto and pull out the hair glue, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna try to keep it classy. Okay.
I actually applied them off camera, and you know, so I'm using this little bit of glue. It was real cheap. I think I got it from Walmart, but I'm running out of it. That's why I said I would usually use hair glue, but for the sake of the video, you already know, I'm gonna keep it classy. So while I'm letting my glue get tacky on my lashes, I'm applying some mascara. It's literally like Maybelline or something. I don't know. Probably cheap too. I'm telling y'all, it ain't nothing wrong with drugstore products. They work just the same. Now I'm going in with another mascara. It's from Avon. It is my absolute favorite.
Okay, so I have my lashes on. And
So y'all see how I started feeling myself there?
Ow.
Girl, lashes literally make your life, make your face, make every makeup look. If you think your makeup look is not enough, put on some lashes and you gonna be fine, okay? So now I'm spraying my face with that same setting spray from MAC just to complete the look, and now I'm lining my lips. This is my favorite lip combo. It's so simple. I literally line my lips with some brown lip liner, and I put like a
lick your lips, girl.
y'all, I'm so trifling, but anyway, I literally put on like a plain, is this thing still recording? I think it is. I literally put on like a plain lip gloss or whatever right on top, and the color is so cute. If y'all want to see the end product, I'll put a picture in next. All right, thank y'all for watching so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and if you like videos like this, let me know and I will make some more, because your girl beat her face all of the time. All right, deuces.